Hi, Tony with Blue Collar Barbecue. Today we're doing ribs. We're going to be doing St. Louis style ribs. I've already got the membranes pulled off, plenty of videos on how to do that. I've got them seasoned up and waiting to get them on the smoker. So today we're going to be using our Ironside Slugger. As always, well-built smoker. Love this thing. Can't say enough good things about it. Boys at Ironside did an awesome job putting this together. You can see right now we've got the coals going. I'm going to be throwing some wood logs on in a little bit. Today's charcoal that we're using is B&B Natural Lump Hickory. Picked it up from Walmart. Read some reviews on this, thought I'd give it a try. Stick around. Alright, so we got our first log on. We're going to let that take hold, catch fire, and get the temperature of the smoker up about 275. We've got 6 racks of St. Louis ribs that'll be going on today. Just stick around. I apologize for not getting videos out for a while. I've been real busy with my full-time job and been doing a bunch of cooking for events through the summer, and this is the first opportunity I've gotten to get back into doing a video. If you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button and mash that bell so you can get updates when we do more videos, and we're going to be doing probably quite a few over the fall. So while I'm waiting for the smoker to come up to temperature, I've got the ribs sitting out. They're going to come up to room temperature. We let that rub pull out some of those juices, get them nice and tender, and then they'll go on the smoker once it hits 275. We're going to be spritzing the ribs about every hour and a half or so, with a combination of apple juice and water. That's what I'm using today. I don't have any seasoning in the bottle. It seems to gum up the sprayer when I've tried that. Today's rub that we're using is Killer Hog's barbecue rub. Check out Malcolm Reed's website, killerhogs.com. He's got tons of good products there. He's also got tons of great videos on barbecuing. So does Cosmos from Cosmos Q. I use some of his rubs. Had really good luck with them, love the flavors of them, and we'll see how these turn out today. We're going to be doing a combination of Kansas City style ribs for an order, and we're going to be doing some Memphis style. Stick around. So recently I've been asked questions about the quality of the food that comes off the Ironside smoker, and I gotta say I get a lot of compliments about our food. People love the brisket and the pork shoulder that's come off of this unit. The flavors are right there. They're not overpowering as far as smoke flavor. Keeping steady, consistent temperatures with this cooker is really easy. It's insulated 2 inches all the way around, so it'll stand up to Mother Nature. For those of you living in the areas of the country where the temperature happens to hit 0 or below, you can barbecue in the winter with this unit, and that's one of the reasons why we snagged it up. I also like Pete and Jeff. They're very friendly. Anytime I've ever had a problem with a smoker, which is just basically questions on operation, no issues as far as the design and quality of the build. Just a learning curve for me coming from a tank smoker to a cabinet smoker, so they were there to answer questions, walk me through things, any issues that I had. They were super helpful. The other nice thing is that they made some upgrades from the original design and provided me with those same upgrades free of charge. They came out, they got the smoker, they took it for a weekend and brought it right back. Some of the things that they changed a little bit were the fire basket, the ash pan. They made it more sturdy so that under temperatures it wouldn't bend and get caught up in the inside the ash grate. They added a better rail system, so the charcoal basket as a unit slides out real nice, so if you need to add something or pull it out, you can. Gotten a lot of the great compliments from the food, but that comes down to the cook itself, not the unit. So hopefully that answers some of the questions that people have been asking. If you have another question, and you have a question about Ironside smokers or what I do for my business or what I do for fun when it comes to barbecue, go ahead and ask away. Be happy to answer. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. All right, so we have our ribs on. We're gonna give them about an hour, then we'll check them, see if we have to start spritzing them. Funny thing, I got a message from a friend of mine who had let a coworker try some of our barbecue, and he said that it inspired him so much he went out and bought his own smoker. He got one that he got on sale at Walmart, probably because in Walmart's eyes it's the end of the barbecue season since they're starting to put Christmas decorations out. And I hope he has good luck with it, and if he has any questions, he's already been told he can give me a shout and I'd be happy to help. Alright, so we got our ribs wrapped. We used a combination of brown sugar, butter, and honey, just like everybody else does when they wrap their ribs, so there isn't anything unusual or different there. I've got the 2 racks that we're going to keep pretty much naked, other than the rub. They're not going to get sauced, and they're cooking right along. We're at a nice steady 250. Temperatures have been fairly consistent throughout the cook. I'm looking forward to giving these ribs a try. Alright, so here's our finished product of ribs. We had an excellent cook today. The ribs turned out. We're going to be glazing these up with our barbecue sauce. I got that all ready to go here. We just use a commercially available barbecue sauce. One of my favorite go-tos is Sweet Baby Ray's. I've got some others. This is one that we use exclusively for both our ribs and chicken. It's one that's commercially available. We really enjoy putting this sauce on the ribs, but we also like our ribs naked. So these ribs here are going to be getting sauced for customers that wanted them nice, sticky and wet and sloppy like barbecue should be. Well, hope everybody enjoyed the video. It's been an awesome day. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.